What's happening, folks? I bought some of these grill guards, and you know what? They're a little bit of a pain in the ass, if I can be totally honest with you guys. Like, here's the passenger side. Like, these are the zip tie style. You know, these go underneath, and I got the ones that do the little part over there as well, like right in there, just because it, you know, black out the whole thing. Why the hell not? And anyways, I have to drop my front splitter. Not a big deal. It's the 21 T15 bolts, and then you got some T15 screws, and you got a couple of 4.7mm, and then you just got to get that little pry tool. And I just took this front one off, and then you just kind of like pull a couple of more screws out here, and you just pull this thing down. That way you can shove your hand in here and put it up. So I don't have a problem with the reach. I can put it in there and everything. But the biggest pain in my ass right now are these stupid zip ties. Good luck getting a zip tie, like you can see that one there. Good luck getting in there, wrapping it around 90 degrees and pulling it out of the other side. Like, you know, I'm going to fiddle with it, and it's going to probably take me a lot longer than it should take me. But talk about a pain in the ass. I got to, like, you know, I've been bending it like a hairpin, but I got to figure something out so I can, like, grab it. You know, I don't want to go in there with my other hand because I got this positioned properly. I got the one with the little notch for the trunk here. Last thing I want to do is knock it out of place, and then I got to monkey around like a monkey putting this stupid thing back on. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So gonna do those grill guards. Then I got another little addition, but you know, what the hey. But yeah, you know what? Let me jack it up a little bit there. It makes things life a lot easier. But let me get to this, and I'll report back, tell you how it's going. All right, peace out. All right, fellas, the grill guards are in. It wasn't as hard as maybe I was bitching about earlier, but it still is a little bit of a bitch, just, you know, reaching in. But when you open it up, you can stick your hand in here, and you can reach in, and you can actually, you know, get those twist ties, your zip ties. So I got a couple in. I followed the instructions. I got two, got one in the middle, and then I got two other ones over here. So they're in there pretty secure. I got these ones over here as well. So it's not as bad. You got to pop out a bunch of, they're all T15s. I think there is 4 7mm bolts, and then there's one little pop out, little push pin, and that's it. It's not a big deal. It's actually, it went smoother than I thought it would. These little tedious jobs, I'd rather like take apart the cats than do something like this, because a little bit tedious. But anyways, that's done. I'm gonna take off. My buddy did this to show off his Corsa exhaust. Plus my Fabspeed exhaust is a lot prettier. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop off this grill, this rear grill and the diffuser, so you can see the X-Pipe a little better. So I'm gonna pop that off and see how that goes. I think that's you know, 7mm bolts there. There might be 11 of them, I think. But yeah, you know, let's just take her off and see what she looks like. I can always put it back on if I don't like it. All right. Okay, guys, grill guards are in. Front splitter back on. The skid plates, all that stuff, everything back in. It's not as bad as you think, but you know, whatever. It's a little bit of work, but it looks good. It looks better all blacked out like that. Looks kind of cool. The other thing I did was And I might do one more surprise, actually. Other thing I did was, let me just move this out of the way, is I removed the little black grill from in the back there. That way you can see the exhaust, the expensive Fabspeed exhaust. Because you know what, really, that Fabspeed exhaust goes together, it looks like a work of art. It's a nice exhaust. But yeah, that's it for now. Maybe one more surprise. All right, all finished up, moved it outside. I did a little mod on it. It's just for fun for now. I'll see if I like it or, you know, what kind of flack I get for it. But whatever, to each their own. Your car, your mods. Anyways, pulled out that grill again. Like I said, you can see the Fabspeed exhaust pretty good in there. I also matched up my center caps to the calipers, which is good. And I threw on a Jake logo, C8 Jake logo shield. Looks very Ferrari-esque, but you know, it's not a you know, Ferrari shield like some people have done, because that's not right. But anyways, that's it for now, guys. There she is. And I know there's always going to be people asking me about, you know, my wheels and all that kind of stuff. MRR 755s. Talk to Carlos. Tell him you've seen Warp Drive's car. He'll hook you up with a good deal. But you know, some secrets I don't give out. So everybody keeps texting me and asking me about my center caps. Where'd you get those, man? Where'd you get all that stuff? You know what? Some things I'm keeping a secret. I don't need everybody looking like me. So, yeah, I'm not answering those questions. But anyways, there she is. I think it's looking pretty good. We'll see how it goes. See if I keep it. All right. Peace out.